Stop trying to be original. It is the fastest way to stay broke. If you are a business owner or a creator, you probably feel this pressure every day. You think you need a revolutionary idea or a brand new content style just to get noticed. You spend weeks building something unique only for it to fail. No views, no sales, no growth. I call this the innovation myth. We are told that winners are always first, but in the real world of money and business, being first is a trap. It is the most expensive mistake you can make. Look at the giants. Google was not the first search engine. Facebook was not the first social network. Starbucks was not the first coffee shop. They didn't invent anything. They just remixed what was already making money and did it better. They aren't pioneers, they are settlers. Pioneers get the arrows in their backs. Settlers get the land and the gold. In this video, I'm giving you the settler strategy. I'm going to show you how to find outliers, ideas that are already proven to sell, and how to use classic TV age format to scale your business and content growth in 2026. If you want more sales without the creativity headache, let's get into the plan. The outlier strategy. Find the money. An outlier is a secret map to the gold. It is a piece of content or an advert that has performed way better than everything else in the market. Whether you are a business owner or a creator, an outlier proves one thing: the audience is already hungry for this. If you are a creator, an outlier is a video that gets 10 times the normal view of a channel. If a creator usually gets 1,000 views but a video hits 50,000 views, that is an outlier. It proves that the topic is a winner. If you are a business owner, you use this same outlier to find the perfect style for your next advertisement. If you see a video style or a specific ad that has been running for months, it's not because the company is creative. It is because the specific style is making money. So now let me teach you how to steal like an artist. Stop guessing what people want. Use this 3-step plan to take those outliers and turn them into your own growth. Scan the market or your niche. Stop looking for what is cool or new. Look for what is popular. Find the video with the highest view count and the ad that has been running the longest. You want to see where the money and the attention are already flowing. 2. Analyze the why. Do not just look at the surface. Look under the hood. Ask yourself, why did this blow up? Is it the hook in the first 5 seconds? Is it the price? Does it solve a specific fear or a big problem? Once you understand the why, you have the secret formula for their success. 3. The profitable remix. This is where you win. Take that proven topic and apply it to your specific business or niche. For example, imagine a video titled "How to Save $1,000 in 30 Days" is going viral. So let me give you the creator version example. You make your version of that video with your unique tip to grow your channel. For business version, if you sell skincare, you remix it into an ad: how to save $1,000 on your skincare yearly. You use the viral interest to sell your product. You see, the goal is, don't guess what people want. Look at what they are already buying and already watching and give it to them. Strategy 2. The TV age framework. The sales machine. The biggest mistake creators and business owners make is trying to invent a new way to communicate. Here is the truth: humans haven't changed. The same formats that sold product on TV in 1990s are the same formats making people rich on TikTok and YouTube today. If you want to scale your growth and your sales, stop trying to invent new content style. Instead, use these 3 proven frameworks that are built to convert viewers into customers. For example, the infomercial problem solution model. Think of brands like Dyson. They use classic demonstration style. It is very simple. Your vacuum sucks and loses power. Ours doesn't. Watch this. They show the problem, they show the solution, and they prove it on camera. This builds immediate trust. If you can show your product solving a problem in real time, you don't need a fancy script to get sales. Example 2. The expert talk show. Have you ever wondered why podcasts are making so much money right now? It's because they are using the old Larry King or Oprah formats. When you sit behind a microphone and interview people or share deep knowledge, when people see you as the authority in your niche, you can charge 10 times more than your competitors because they aren't just buying a service, they are buying your expertise. Example 3, the Mystery Doku series. This is the power of high-level storytelling successful brands today use. Documentary style to explain their business journey, their failure, and their wins. This works because people don't actually buy product, they buy stories. If you can tell the story of why your business exists, you create an emotional connection that a standard ad can never touch. So stop trying to be innovative with your content style. Use the framework that have worked for the last 50 years. They are proven, they are reliable, and they are designed to put money in your bank account. Strategy 3. Positioning for growth. In business and content creation, you often don't need a better product. You just need a better category. Most people fail because they try to fit in. But growth happens when you stand out by being the alternative. So how do you do that? Identify the leader who is the big boss in your niche. Who is everyone currently watching or buying from? Find the gap. Look at them closely. Are they too corporate? Are they too boring? Is their product way too expensive or too complicated? 3. Be the alternative. Position yourself as the think different option. If the market leader is the safe, slow choice, you become the fast, aggressive choice. When you position yourself directly against the leader, you save a fortune. Why? Because you don't have to spend money educating the market on what your product is. You just have to tell them why you are the better version of what they already know. By the way, if you are still here and finding this valuable, don't forget to subscribe. It helps the channel and ensures you don't miss the next strategy to scale your business. To grow your sales and your channel in 2026, stop waiting for a spark of genius. Innovation is a gamble, but settler strategy is a system. When you follow this plan, you stop wasting time and money on flops. You start making content and product that you know will work because the market have already said yes to this idea. You are no longer guessing, you are executing. Let me give you an assignment. I want you to look at your 3 biggest competitors right now. Find their most popular video or their best-selling product from the last 6 months. That is your next content idea or your next product update. Don't overthink it, just improve it. And again, people are still using old strategies to create content and are wondering why things are not working. If you want to know if you are still using old strategies, then you need to watch this video.